If you're searching for companies by job benefits that they give, then Glassdoor is a great platform where you can view all of the benefits that a company provides. So, in order for you to check out the benefit reviews of a particular company, you can just head over to the companies section and then search up the company that you're looking for and then click on the search option. Once you're inside of a company's profile, on the top you're going to see a bunch of options. You just need to click on this arrow until you see the section called benefits. Now there are a few things that you need to look out for. The first thing that you need to make sure there is the total rating that the benefits of a particular company has. If the overall rating on the benefit side is good, then you're off to a good start. You can scroll down further and take a look at each of these sections and each of these benefits that this company provides. You can take a look at the rating for each of these sections as well, and based upon what you prioritize, you can take a look at these and make your own informed decision. Also, you can scroll down further and see what other people are saying on the benefit side of this company. You can take a look at these reviews, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll find all of the good as well as bad reviews that this company has in terms of benefits. So this is the exact way that you can use the Glassdoor benefits reviews. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button.